In one of our previous lessons, we looked at how to use pronouns when they are the doer of the sentence, the subject. Now we are going to look at what happens when the pronoun moves to the other side of the verb. We are talking about the object position. The object is the person or thing that receives the action. For example, in the sentence, he helps me, he is the one doing the helping, and me is the one receiving the help. In many languages, including English, pronouns usually change their form depending on where they sit in a sentence. I changes to me. He changes to him. We changes to us. This concept is called case. Chinese does not do this. In Chinese, the pronoun is immutable. It never changes its form. The word you use for I, subject, is the exact same word you use for me, object. The meaning is determined entirely by the word order. If it comes before the verb, it is the doer, subject. If it comes after the verb, it is the receiver, object. Let's see this in action with every pronoun. 我 I or me. 我看他 I see him. 我看他他看我 He sees me. 他看我你 you. 你认识她吗 Do you know her? 你认识她吗我认识你 I know you. 我认识你您 you. 您想喝什么 What would you like to drink? 您想喝什么我想请您吃饭 I would like to invite you to eat. 我想请您吃饭他 he or him. 他认识我们 He knows us. 他认识我们我们认识他 We know him. 我们认识他她 she or her. 她不认识我 She doesn't know me. 她不认识我我认识她 I know her. 我认识她我们 we or us. 我们请她吃饭了 We invited her to eat. 我们请她吃饭了她请我们吃饭了 She invited us to eat. 她请我们吃饭了你们 you plural. 你们想去哪儿 Where do you all want to go? 你们想去哪儿老师喜欢你们 The teacher likes you all. 老师喜欢你们他们 they or them, male or mixed. 他们是我的同学 They are my classmates. 他们是我的同学我很喜欢他们 I like them very much. 我很喜欢他们他们 they or them, female. 他们都学汉语 They all study Chinese. 他们都学汉语我不认识他们 I don't know them. 我不认识他们Here is a quick summary of all the forms we have learned. 我 I or me. 我们 we or us. 你 you. 你们 you plural. 您 you. 他 he or him. 他们 they or them, male or mixed. 她 she or her. 他们, they or them, female. Learning Chinese pronouns is a great confidence booster because they are so consistent. Remember, first, you don't need to memorize separate words for subjects and objects. War is always war, whether you are doing the action or receiving it. And, second, the meaning comes from where the word sits. Before the verb, it's the subject. After the verb, it's the object. Keep practicing these simple sentence structures until they feel comfortable.